believe me when I told you debris was flying around as a funnel cloud, did you?
Can you see it? Yeah, we're right. Yeah, it sure is. We're right here by it. Well, we're watching it right now. We're taking pictures of it. Hi. I'm saying it's not coming that way. No, she's in Mayfield. Alright.
I mean, if I ever look behind, let's make sure there ain't nothing else coming.
It's clear.
Okay.